Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming which BlackShark variant you own and preparing physical connections. Plug the 3.5 jack into the PC headset port or insert the USB connector into a rear USB 2.0/3.0 port. If wireless, insert the Razer dongle into a USB port and power the headset on. Once connected, make sure Windows detects a new device under sound settings. Note its name so you can select it later. This avoids driver confusion and speeds up the next steps. After physical connection, install Razer Synapse so you get firmware updates and audio customization. You need this for USB and wireless models to access full features. Once Synapse is running, follow on-screen prompts to update firmware. This resolves many compatibility issues. For wireless headsets, use the headset's pairing button and the dongle's pairing mode until LEDs stabilize, then confirm the device appears in Synapse and Windows. Make sure you set the headset as the default playback and recording device. You finish by testing and fine-tuning audio so the headset performs reliably. Play a familiar track and use the Windows sound test to verify left/right channels, then record a short mic clip to check clarity and level. In Synapse, tweak EQ, mic gain, and side tone to taste, and set sample rate in advanced properties to 44.1 or 48 kHz. If you get no audio or distorted sound, power cycle the headset. Try another USB port or cable and reinstall Synapse/drivers. This single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.